Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Yeda. For those of you that are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. One, that way you can join the Glamour Squad, and two, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick here. Today's video is sponsored by Naturale. They sent me this follicle enhancer, y'all, and we are going to be talking about this product today because it's supposed to help thin out edges or help regrow your edges. So if you're anybody like me, constantly wearing buns, ponytails, braids, wigs, like we're constantly putting stuff on our edges and we're constantly brushing and pulling and tugging, and we're really like thinning out our edges. This is the solution to our problems, okay, sis? Let me just tell y'all some of the ingredients that's in here. Peppermint oil, argan oil, avocado oil, castor oil, like just to name a few. As soon as you open it, you can smell the peppermint. Like, it smells so good. This is how it looks. I don't know if y'all could see it for real, but it's like a creamy base. Let me put it on there. And it's so soft, like it's like butter. This here is a 2-ounce bottle. It comes in a 2-ounce and a 4-ounce, and I'll be sure to link their website in the description down below so you can get yours. The 2-ounce is a 1-month supply and the 4-ounce is a 2-month supply. With this product, you want to apply it on clean, oil-free scalp. So as you can see, that's why my hair is not done, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply it on my hair. So I'm going to be washing it today, so you guys can see me wash my hair again. If you want like a full out hair routine, make sure y'all go and check out my previous video that I did. I'll link it in the cards up top. But yeah, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump into washing my hair. right, y'all, I am back, and as y'all can see, my hair is washed and blow dried, and you can see a little thin of the edges, especially on this side. Y'all see that thin spot? So I am going to apply again the Edge Naturale follicle enhancer to my edges. And yeah, we just gonna see how these bad boys grow, okay? So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and again, it's very like buttery. And I'm just going to apply it to the edges, rub it in. And I'm not doing too much. In the front, I mainly just do these two sides because this is where I'm like constantly swooping with my little baby hair. So, but yes, you can also put it in the scalp, wherever you think you have like little bald spots, then do so. But yes, y'all, so again guys, this is the follicle enhancer by Edge Naturale. Thank you all for sponsoring today's video. This is gonna wrap up today's video, by the way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know if you would try this product or if you've already tried it. I will link their website again in the description below. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.